We are in the center of a 231-acre parcel, and the crown jewel is this amazing 10-acre lake. It's crystal clear, tons of fish, great swimming lake, great boating lake. It's got a tiny island towards the back of it where a group of heron live. It's mixed woods and fields. Here's the parcel. It's a great location. There's one open field with a hunting cabin. So there's road frontage on County 11, and the main access point is County 27, that really sweet little bridge entrance to the property. That's the main entrance to the property. And that takes you to the logging trails which go through the property that would be very expensive if you had to put them in yourself now. It's a magical spot. I feel like it's a hidden gem tucked into the woods. It's the perfect property for privacy. I love it because it's so peaceful and quiet here. This property offers you endless hiking on your own trails, swimming in your own private lake, and yet you have access to all these incredible Hudson Valley towns. We're 20 minutes from Hudson, 7 minutes from Copake Lake, about a half an hour to Rhinebeck, Red Hook, and Tivoli, and 15 minutes from Catamount, where you can do all your winter sports. It's very convenient to the Taconic to get back to the city. So the property is set up really well for multiple building options. It's a perfect spot to build a private residence or a family compound. There are 2 home sites that are beautifully sited just above the lake where you could get Catskill views. If I were to build, I'd build my home right on the lake and have the house looking out on the water.